Hi there, this is Christian Cantrell, and I'm here to demonstrate another example of how AI is going to transform workflows. Say I'm writing a 500-word report for my Earth Science class on hail. You know what? Since this video is about AI, instead of writing the report myself, I think it would be much more appropriate for GPT-3 to write the report for me. I'll just grab a little text from Wikipedia here to seed it with. Crank up my word count, and sit back and watch the magic happen. Let's just get rid of this sentence fragment here at the end. Now all I have to do is copy and paste the text into Word and instant report. Let me just fix this one sentence right here. Okay, now we have a passable report on hail. But it's not very visually interesting. My science teacher told us we need at least one table or chart, so I'll just jump over to data.gov, open up a storm report from the National Climate Data Center, and see what I can find. I always hear people talk about golf ball-sized hail, so I'll search for the term golf. And here we go. A perfect table to add to my report. I'll just copy and paste the data into Excel. And unfortunately, that doesn't work. Even though users would be entirely justified in assuming they could copy a table from a PDF and paste it into Excel, an incredibly obvious workflow if you ask me, I'm just not getting the results I'm expecting here. It's not that much data, so I could just recreate it by hand, and there are a few esoteric tools and techniques out there to do this kind of thing. But if I'm too lazy to even write my own report in the first place, there's no way I'm doing all that work. Okay, so we're going to use some AI here to solve the problem. First, I'm going to take a screenshot of this table. Rename the resulting ping. Move it into another directory here. Run this very clever Python script I found online and modified slightly, which uses OpenCV, an open source library for real-time computer vision, and PyTesseract, an optical character recognition library for Python, to turn images of tables into Excel files. And here we go. When it's finished, I now have a file called output, and when I open that, I see that AI has come through for me. I now have a perfect table that I can modify, format, prettify, and save out again. Now all I have to do is drag and drop it into my report, and here we go, Instant A. It's obviously not practical for all applications out there to be compatible with all file types and protocols and data formats, but I think it will prove practical to use machine learning on top of existing and brand new tools to move data between them and to invent entirely new and much more efficient workflows. Thanks for watching.